And pagdating naman guys sa token sold, umabot ng 15 million. Guys, 15 million kay CryptoBlades Kingdom, 12.6 naman kay Continuum World, and IGO price niya nag-start guys 0.4, 0.15, and then yung all-time high price niya guys, ayan, medyo tumaas din talaga siya after nung ma-launch nung game. So guys, ganun kaganda. Now, eto na naman, meron na naman tayong chance wherein sino ba ngayon ang ipapakita ko sa inyo. Walang iba kung DC. What's up? What's up? What's up mga kabit? What's up mga kabit? Kamusta kayo? Andito na naman ako. Syempre naman, i-update ko na naman kayo kung ano ang nangyayari dito sa CDFI, wherein meron na naman silang bagong game na pwede nyong i-consider. Okay? Etong game na to, no, bago pa siya maging up or bago pa siya maging public, okay, makikita na natin siya dito sa CDFI, which is nakakailang content na tayo about it. So ngayon, i-update ko kayo about dito kay Defina. Okay? So siya, ano ba si Defina? Defina Finance is a new blockchain-based game that utilize decentralized finance and NFT with a vision of introducing blockchain to millions of games through its play to earn. And guys, ngayon yun. And ang private IGO is today guys, October 8 private. And then yung public naman is on October 11. So guys, let us click itong Defina kung ano ba to, kung pwede na ba tayo. As of now guys, 7 hours and 20 minutes. Konti na lang, pwede na tayong pumasok dyan. And let me remind you, yung mga dati na alala nyo, yung Continuum at saka yung CryptoBlades, let us look kung ano yung naging performance nila guys. So guys, eto, nandito tayo ngayon sa previous IGO's results. Okay, ayan na. We are proud to launch unique projects with great ROI for our holders. Imagine, hindi pa nag-start yung game, nakakapag-participate ka na. Pero again guys, do your own research pa rin and never trade your money you can't afford to lose. So ayan, let's check ito. Yung dati nating tiningnan is yung CryptoBlades Kingdom and then yung Continuum World, and look at the results guys, no. So amount raised USD ay umabot ng 600,000 kay CryptoBlades Kingdom and then 200,000 naman kay Continuum World. Okay? And pagdating naman guys sa token sold, umabot ng 15 million. Guys, 15 million kay CryptoBlades Kingdom, 12.6 naman kay Continuum World, and IGO price niya nag-start guys 0.4, 0.15, and then yung all-time high price niya guys, ayan, medyo tumaas din talaga siya after nung ma-launch nung game. So yung nakapag-participate before of kung pwede gusto nyo mag-take profit, walang problema. Kasi syempre, income nyo na yun eh. Again guys, yung naging ROI ni CryptoBlades Kingdoms and Continuum World ay umabot ng 24.5 and then 22.0x. So guys, ganun kaganda. Now, eto na naman, meron na naman tayong chance wherein sino ba ngayon ang ipapakita ko sa inyo. Walang iba kung DC Defina or Defina. I'm not sure sa pronunciation pero Defina na lang para mas madali. Welcome to the fascinating world of Defina. Sino ba to si Defina and bakit natin siya okay i-consider? But before that guys, let me remind you na ito, 7 hours and 18 minutes, pwede na tayo mag-participate dito. Okay, sa mga hindi nakakaalam ng CDFI guys, meron akong content ng CDFI, nakakadalawa na tayo sa channel ko. Check nyo na lang guys yung video or ilalagay ko rito sa description yung CDFI fund. Bago tayo bumalik dun sa Medium guys, tingnan lang natin to about the project. Defina Finance is a new blockchain-based game that utilizes decentralized finance and NFTs with a vision of introducing blockchain to millions of gamers through its play-to-earn opportunities. So silipin na natin kung bakit maganda ba si Defina. So ayan, by reading this guys, no, makikita natin kung talagang okay ba siya or hindi. So bukod dito sa pagre-review natin, again, mag-search din kayo sa sarili niyo para mas malalim yung foundation nyo sa mga pinapakita natin na games or marketplace or crypto or token or kung ano-ano pa man yan. So ayan, hello CDFI community. So I will read this article for you, okay? Hello CDFI community. Today we are excited to share more information on Defina Defina.finance. Please join us as we take deep dive into the game to prepare the upcoming Defina private sale, which is October 8. That is today guys, October 8. And IGO on October 11. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam ng IGO, it's initial game offering. And saan? Of course, wala nang iba kundi dun sa CDFI.fund. tignan naman natin kung ano tong game na to. Defina, guys. Welcome to an exciting world of heroic battles and play to earn opportunities. Okay, Defina.Finance is a new blockchain-based game that utilize decentralized finance and NFTs, which is binasa din natin to kanina. With a vision of introducing blockchain to millions of gamers through its play to earn opportunities with the implementation of blockchain and NFTs. So, ano mangyayari dyan ngayon? So, players will be able to own their in-game assets. Of course, NFTs is an asset wherein pwede mo yung i-buy and sell sa mga marketplace. Ayan na, buy and sell and further monetize them through exciting PvP battles, PvP mining, and PvE training. So guys, tingnan natin mabuti, no? As you can see, no, medyo familiar tayo sa ganitong interface ng mga laro, no? Kung kayo ay naglalaro talaga before ng mga na PlayStation, medyo ganito yung interface niya. And I noticed din na meron sa mga leveling. So I guess na napapa-level mo to while nagbabattle ka, no? Habang binabattle mo syempre yung mga heroes mo, tumataas din ang level. Let's continue reading, guys. In order to start playing the game, players will need to acquire hero NFTs. As usual, kailangan meron kang NFT mo na hero na gagamitin mo. There is a minimum of 4 heroes required to play. So parang familiar kayo, no? Even yung mga Crypto Blades, no? 4 yung players. Defina NFT cards feature 28 different heroes each with unique background stories and skills belonging to one of 4 factions, which are Prometheus Fire, merong Ouroboros, may Thoth Book, or Athena's Aegis. So paano nga ba to, guys, no? Heroes are randomly generated with different rarity. Okay, syempre, mas high yung rarity niyan, mas mataas or mas malakas syempre yung heroes mo. And hindi lang yun, syempre yung attributes, yung skills. So guys, gaya ng sabi ko, no, the more rare or higher grade the hero is, the higher the initial attribute value. Okay? So chances of obtaining better skills, attacks, probability of having more or rare elements. So ngayon, ang titingnan natin dito, the hero levels is descending class and rarity order are SSS and A. So parang kung nanonood kayo ng Ghost Fighter, para mga class S na halimaw, mas mataas syempre yung mga S. And by the way, guys, kung gusto nyo pang ulit-ulitin at basahin itong medium na to, of course, ilalagay ko yan dito sa description para kayo mismo malaman nyo. Again, hindi mo pa naman malalaro ito, pero bago pa lumabas, meron ka na opportunity to participate and to earn, gaya nung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina na resulta. And marami pa kayo, guys, matututunan dito sa mga skills, sa attacks, and kung ano-ano pa about the game pag binasa nyo ng buo itong medium, which is maiksi lang din naman. So, hindi naman natin babasahin ito lahat, guys. So, dadaanan lang natin, no, na isa-isa all about the game. So, dadaanan lang natin itong mga photos, tingnan natin. So, guys, ngayon ang ginagawa ko lang naman is pinapakita ko to sa inyong game, okay? An opportunity wherein pwede mong subukan, pwedeng hindi. Walang pilitan, okay? So, silipin lang din natin, guys, yung graphics niya, kung anong klaseng laro siya. So, ako, nakikita ko ngayon na meron siyang map siguro. Ito yung parang sa Axie Infinity na pupunta-puntahan mo, no? Yung mga quest. Habang natatalo mo yung level by level na mga quest mo, syempre, lumalakas yung mga kalaban mo. Ang maganda dito, gaya na nabanggit ko kanina, ayan, nakasulat, meron din silang mining mode or PvP. So, nakalagay dito, guys, na players will have the ability to enter and conquer mining pools to earn further rewards. Okay, so parang nagko-conquer ka din pala dito. So, ayan, guys, no, ito yung parang battle arena nila, as you can see. Medyo may similarity siya sa Clash of Clans, no, pag nagbabattle. So, ano ba yung token ng Defina? Which is ito, FINA, F-I-N the in-game currency and driving force of Defina's games economy. So, in BEP20 tayo, guys, utility and governance token. All in-game actions, marketplace purchases, and rewards utilize and are paid out in FINA. And hindi lang yon, meron din silang yield farming, staking opportunities, will be required to purchase in-game items, invoke actions like hero upgrades, rebirths, purchasing more battle opportunities, etc. Again, guys, kung gusto nyo mag-participate sa private sale today, just go to cdfi.fund. And don't forget to connect it sa inyong MetaMask wallet. So guys, ito naman yung kanilang tokenomics if you want to see. Ayan, silipin natin, no? So let's take a look at how S-Fund holders can gain early access to FINA and the exciting play-to-earn opportunities offered through Defina.Finance by participating in the upcoming private sale and IGO offerings on the CDFI Launchpad. So as you can see, ito yung kanilang mga tokenomics. So ito na rin, guys, yung date kung kailan kayo pwede mag-participate. Ito yung IGO nila, October 11, din, pero ngayon yung kanilang private sale, October 8. And by the way guys, if you want to know more and add information about it, pwede kayong pumasok sa kanilang mga community as you can see here. Pero silang Telegram, may Discord, may Twitter, and may Medium. So maraming salamat guys sa lahat ng mga sumuporta at nanood ngayon. Kung may natutunan ka and added information and knowledge to sa'yo guys, please hit the like button. And thank you so much sa time mo. Salamat sa mga nag-subscribe. And kung gusto mo na updated ka palagi, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat and God bless you.